What is up, everyone? It's your boy, Isaac Medina, AI Dadpreneur. I'm coming back with another episode. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Meta's new AI release, Meta Llama 3. This is an amazing tool that all businesses will be using. Influencers, creators, business coaches, everyone is going to be using this. And I like their new platform. So they just released it a few days ago that they came out with Llama 3. And if you head over to the llama.meta.com website /Llama 3, you'll see this brief introduction. We built the future of AI with Meta Llama 3. And everywhere I was turning, I kept seeing this new video release.
In class performance for their scale, we're also still trying to be a larger, dense model.
From Mark Zuckerberg, he was.
We're open sourcing the first set of our Llama 3 models.
So everywhere I turned, everyone kept talking about it. So I figured, why not come out with a video and show you guys? We'll take it for a spin and see how comparable it is to ChatGPT, OpenAI, our favorite tool. And it's amazing how we've come such a long way, and AI is just revolutionizing everything. It's like, like I've been telling my students, if you guys jump on the AI bandwagon now, so you can learn as much about it. So when AI literally takes over all industries, basically, you'll be ready to go. You'll know the ins and outs of AI, and you'll be able to teach it, use it, train it, code it, all that jazz. So it's better to be on this side than the other side where you're trying to play catch up and you're trying to learn when we've already had years of it. So here's another tool. If we head over and click on Experience Llama 3 on Meta AI, it takes you to this new website, which this is obviously, it looks just like OpenAI's ChatGPT, which I like it. Hey, don't get me wrong. It's pretty dope. I like it. And we can obviously ask it anything we want. They obviously have a messenger version of it. And they have this new Imagine version. I like it. It's pretty cool. I figured I was going to test run it and see how it would create a thumbnail, because if you head over to OpenAI ChatGPT, I created a custom GPT where I basically need thumbnails created. So I call this thumbnail wizard, and I'll have a link down in the description below for you guys. So basically, I use this to create some thumbnails for my clients and for my YouTube channels as well. But yeah, so I use this, and I wanted to take a test run with the new Llama 3 Imagine section of it and see how it goes up against ChatGPT. So let's take it for a spin and see what it can produce for us. So I'm just going to come in here and say, okay, I need help creating a thumbnail for my video. Let's see, Llama 3, and how amazing it works to help everyone. And let's see, I would like it to show a futuristic cafe and a young person using their laptop, and we can see over the shoulder their laptop displaying Llama 3 on their desktop. All right, so let's take the same prompt, copy it. We're going to let this generate and see how it looks. And then while that's going, I'm going to come over to my thumbnail wizard and hit Control V, and let's let it go and see what it generates for us. So we'll compare them. So this one's pretty cool. Okay. So we got a young guy here at a coffee shop, Llama 3 on there. But I kind of wanted to see like the aerial view, like behind them. Something like this. That would be cool, like that. Llama 3. I like this one better. This one's pretty cool too. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Let's check out this edit. What changes would you like to make? I would like to see their computer screen behind their shoulder view, and that'll work. So we hit edit and then we let it produce something. We added a change to it that we wanted to see. Now let's head over to our thumbnail here. Now that is pretty cool. I like that. I like the fact that Llama 3 gave me like a bunch of different options where ChatGPT is only giving me one. But, okay. How about great idea, but please provide another version of the design. This time, please add the words on the 3, and then we'll say like meta AI. So the viewer knows they are using Llama 3. So that's going to generate a new idea from that. And then we head back, and then this is the one that it regenerated using the edit function. Okay, I like that. That's pretty cool. Let's see, animate. That's pretty cool. Let's hit the animate button and see what it does with animate. That is pretty dope. OMG, that is dope. That is awesome, guys. I love that animation aspect of it. No, that's pretty cool. Okay. So we can use save. So I right clicked it and I can do save video frame as. So I'll just maybe put this in like I'll just put like a new folder here, Llama 3, and then save that in here. And then, so if we open it up, it's just the PNG version of it. But let's see if we can save video as. There we go. That's better. Now that's obviously the MP4. So that's what we want. And so now if we open it and bring it into the screen here, let me hit play. There we go. Okay. So it's just a quick version of it. Okay. So that's pretty cool. I like that. That's pretty dope. All right. And then let's see. Let's make this one. This one looks pretty cool too. I like the 2 monitors type thing. That is pretty cool. Her legs are like missing here. So this is pretty dope. Let's see. And you can regenerate it as well. So let me go back to this one here. I like this one a lot. I'm going to do regenerate and let's see what it regenerates for us.
Can someone with no prior experience in making YouTube videos benefit from AI Hidden Hero? Imagine making YouTube videos as easily as pizza. With AI Hidden Hero, you can. Visit AIHiddenHero.com now to discover how you can have all the fun while AI handles the hard work for you.
And then if we head back here, see? Oh man, this is awesome. I love this one too. So here's a quick hack for you guys. If you do this, if you just go to save when you're in ChatGPT and you're creating your images, it saves it as a WEBP file. And the reason for that is because Google is wanting to save, I guess, like storage in their search engine. So they're creating a lot of the images that you can typically download as that version or format of the file, WebP file type. But if you can head over to the Chrome extension store and just look for something like, let's see, web store. There we go. And just look for something. I think what I found was, let me see, where's my extensions at? I think it was like save image downloader, save pictures. So it's something like this where you can that's not the one I have. Let's see, my extensions. Here we go. So I chose save image as type. So when you do that, you right click it. It gives you the option of if you want to save it as a JPEG, a PNG, or even the WebP file type. I found that very handy when I just right click it and head over here, save image as type, and I'll just save it as a JPEG, and boom, I got some JPEGs. So I'm going to save this in my folder that I had. which could be found Llama 3 right here. I'm going to save that. So I like this a lot. I can use this as a thumbnail, maybe put my picture right here or something like that. Generate another version of it. Make it look more realistic and 16 by 9 size. Okay. So it's going to regenerate that. And we go back to what it regenerated, and it regenerated these ideas. These are awesome too. I like this one a lot. And I'm going to go over here to this version of it. That is pretty cool. That's sick. And then, ooh, that one's cool too. I like look at that laptop. That is dope. Okay. So if we can animate it, edit it, or even regenerate it. I'm going to see if I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to go with make a video of all the images that appeared as I typed. Ooh. Okay. How about that? Look at that. Make a video of all the images that appeared as I typed. Okay. So now Llama 3 is generating a video for us of all the images that it created for us. And as that is going, I'm going to head over here where we came up with another version of it. And that is pretty cool. And they even have a little llama back here in the background. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's edit this. You can select, if you don't know, now with the images on ChatGPT, you can just select this button here and then select the area that you want to fix. And I want it to say, please add the words. And I'll say Llama 3. And then I'll say Meta AI, like that. So that's going to regenerate that. It should fix it. Hopefully it fixes it correctly. They still have some bugs, I've noticed, but for the most part, it does it pretty cool. Okay, this is pretty crazy. Okay, so it's created a video of all this. That's pretty cool. I'm going to go back to the images that I like. I like this one here. And so I'm going to see if I could edit it. And I'm going to say, please make it 16 by 9 size. So now it should just give it to me in 16 by 9. This one should have been fixed by now. The latest image already includes the words Llama 3 Meta AI on the laptop screen as per your request. If you need any other changes, please. So it's spelled differently. It has an extra L in there, and then it has an extra M. It's not spelled correctly. Please regenerate it. The words AI. See what it does. All right, back to this. What the heck is this? This is sizes. And no, I do not want that. Okay, so it obviously doesn't size it in the way I want it. So I'm just going to go ahead and save as a JPEG. And then I'm going to resize it in Canva. So I'll head over to Canva and I'll show you guys quickly how to do that, because I wanted to create a short video, but now it's turning into like a 20-minute video and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to come in here and do, let's see, Instagram post. So I'll just do that one. And then it has that size. And then I'm just going to come in here, do elements, and then do grid. So now it's there, and I'm going to paste it. Nope, that's not it. I'm going to upload it. Oops, upload. And then I'm going to do upload, let's see, Llama 3. And I'm going to use this image, click it there, and then just resize it to that. But now I actually want to resize it to, let it be custom. Let's do 180 by 180. I'll just do 16 by 9 inches, like that. Okay, 16 by 9. Hit continue. And now it's going to resize it the way I wanted it. Open 16 by 9. There you go. And then I'm going to add the element again and go to grid, or you can do frame, but element like that. Let's see, delete that, delete this. And now I'll go to uploads, and now put it there, and now it made it fit into there, but it doesn't fit all the way. So I'm going to do Control Z. Let's see. I'm going to delete this grid, and I'm just going to resize it to make it fit, something like that. So it's not resizing it, but for the most part, I mean, it is what it is, I guess. I mean, that's the biggest it goes without having to make her erase. I don't want to cut her out, but I guess we do. So I'll just do something like that. And then, yeah, that could be Llama 3. That can be my thumbnail, or, just go with that. I do like the fact that ChatGPT gives me that ability to just create a 16:9. So that's cool. It helps me with my thumbnails, but you guys get the picture. So yeah, I'll just end it there. You guys can create some awesome tools, awesome images with Llama 3. We could even go in here and ask it to start a new conversation, and I'll say, help me come up with 3 catchy video titles for my new Llama 3 Meta AI YouTube video, and add a video description at the end of 3 catchy titles. And let's see what it does. Okay. So that is fast. Join me as I explore the latest advancements in AI technology with Llama 3, the cutting-edge language model from Meta AI. In this video, we'll dive into the capabilities and possibilities of Llama 3, from generating human-like text to solving complex problems. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a developer, or simply curious about the future of technology, this video is for you. Let's unleash the power of Llama 3 together. That is awesome, guys. And then the titles it gave me: Unleash Llama 3, the Metal AI Magic Unveiled. Okay, so let's go with that. Okay, and then check out these 3 titles: Unleash the Llama 3, Meta AI Magic Unveiled. Okay, Llama 3, the AI revolution you need to see. Meet Llama 3, your new favorite AI sidekick. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like it. I'll just give it a thumbs up. You guys get the picture. So we came up with some images for our thumbnails. We created a couple of headlines, a video description, so we can use that for our AI videos. And so, yeah, so I can't wait to see the more advanced Llama 3 gets, more things that Meta AI comes out with. And this is awesome. I love this tool. I'm going to use it, and I'm going to recommend it to you guys. So I hope you guys will use this in the future. And yeah. All right. Thanks for watching this episode. I hope you guys learned something from it and took something valuable away. I hope it's an idea sparker for you. And check out Llama 3 Meta AI. It's completely open source. It's free to use. So yeah, I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks, guys.